Hi everyone! Today's weekend shojin ryori is vegan donuts. This is my grandma's recipe which I love. It doesn't use eggs or milk, but it's fluffy and chewy and really delicious. Moreover, anyone can make it very easily. Let's make it together. Ingredients: First, mix the strong flour and the flour in a bowl. Mix soy milk and water, put the mixture in a pan and warm it to the extent of human skin. Put this mixture sugar and instant yeast in a bowl and mix well with a spatula. Next add the flour and salt and mix well. When the dough becomes a lump by hand, cover the bowl and leave it at room temperature for 20 minutes. Put coconut oil in a bowl, knead well by hand. When the surface of the dough becomes smooth, roll it up, put it back in a bowl, cover it, and leave it in a warm place for 1 hour. I always put it on top of the yogurt maker. The temperature is set to 27 degrees Celsius. After about 1 hour, the dough swells to about twice the size. Remove from the bowl on a flat surface and deflate. Divide the dough into 10 equal parts and roll each. Make a hole in the center of the dough with your fingers and open the hole with both hands. It's okay if it loses its shape. If you fry it, it will swell, so take it easy. My easygoing grandma always said. Dust the butt and line up the donut dough. Cover the surface with plastic wrap and leave in a warm place for 20 to 30 minutes. The dough is swollen after fermentation, so put your finger in again to widen the hole in the donut. At this time, if you put powder on your fingers, the dough will not stick your fingers. Fry both sides in vegetable oil at 160 degrees Celsius. While the donuts are hot, sprinkle with sugar and it's done. No special ingredients are used, but it is a simple and very delicious donut. I hope this information is useful to you. Please give it a try. I hope that many people will know the wonderfulness of Koji mode, which makes cooking delicious. I will continue to introduce Japanese fermented foods and shojin ryori on my channel. I will tell you what kind of good work fermented foods have on our bodies and vegetable dishes using fermented foods. I appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and share my channel with your family and friends. ありがとうございました。